How to do payroll in California. Get your federal and state IDs, apply for an EIN from the IRS, and register with California's Development Department EDD if you pay over $100 in wages per quarter. Set up payroll frequency. California law requires employees be paid at least twice per month with paydays designated in advance. Collect employee forms. Have each employee complete a federal form W-4, California form DE-4, withholding certificate plus direct deposit info if applicable. Then calculate gross pay and deductions, compute hourly salary, pay overtime bonuses, then deduct federal/state income tax, SDI, paid family leave, and any benefits. Then pay employees and issue pay stubs, distribute net pay via check or direct deposit, and provide itemized pay stubs showing earnings, deductions, and net pay. File and deposit payroll taxes, submit federal taxes via EFTPS and state taxes to the EDD on your assigned schedule, monthly or quarterly. Keep records and file year-end forms, store payroll records for at least 4 years, 8 years for exempt employees, and issue W-2s, 1099s by January 31st. If this helps you, subscribe.